My name is Dr. Masha, and let me start with something that might surprise you. Right now, sitting in your kitchen, there's probably a bottle of olive oil that could completely change how you feel tomorrow morning. And no, I'm not talking about pouring it on a salad. I mean applying it directly to your body in specific spots before bed. I know it sounds unusual, maybe even a little odd, but stick with me, because what I'm about to share comes from centuries of Mediterranean tradition that modern science is finally confirming. But first, please like the video. The more people like it, the more YouTube will distribute it to people who don't have access to doctors or hospitals. Also, please share the video with your friends and family. Many lives can be saved with your help, so share it. I'm going to show you exactly where to apply olive oil for maximum benefit, why this works so powerfully for men over 50, and how to combine it with other natural oils for even better results. This isn't some new age gimmick. This is about boosting circulation, calming inflammation, and yes, enhancing performance in ways that may surprise you. Let's start with an eye-opening observation. Men in Greece, Italy, and Spain often enjoy lower rates of erectile dysfunction and maintain stronger testosterone levels well into their 70s compared to American men. Diet definitely helps, but there's more to it. They've quietly passed down a practice for generations that we've mostly ignored, using olive oil on the body as medicine. In traditional Mediterranean households, olive oil wasn't just food. It was massaged into sore muscles, rubbed into the scalp for vitality, and yes, applied to intimate areas to preserve male vigor. These weren't superstitions. These men saw real results, shared them, and built a tradition of health that lasted centuries. Here's why it works. Unlike many oils, olive oil has a unique structure that lets it sink deep into tissues. It's rich in squalene and oleic acid, compounds your skin immediately welcomes and absorbs. Once inside, they boost local blood flow, soothe inflammation, and even support hormone production. The vitamin E in olive oil adds another layer of protection, improving circulation and shielding your blood vessels from damage. For men over 50 dealing with reduced blood flow, that's a game changer. The first spot to apply olive oil is your lower abdomen, that area between your belly button and pubic bone. At first, it might sound random, but there's solid logic here. This area sits right over the main blood vessels that feed your pelvic region, including the internal iliac arteries that deliver blood to your penis. When you massage olive oil into this spot, you're not just moisturizing, you're actively boosting circulation in the very vessels that matter most. The combined effect of the massage and the oil's natural compounds is vessel dilation and stronger blood flow. Here's the simple way to do it. Warm a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil between your hands, because trust me, cold oil on your stomach before bed isn't exactly relaxing. Then, place both hands on your belly button and begin massaging in gentle, clockwise circles, slowly moving downward toward your pubic bone. Apply firm, steady pressure, the kind that feels like kneading bread dough, not painful, but satisfying. Do this for about 3 to 5 minutes. That clockwise direction isn't just a detail. It follows your digestive system's natural flow and helps stimulate the vagus nerve, which plays a big role in both relaxation and arousal. Many men notice a pleasant warmth spreading through their pelvis during this routine. That's circulation improving, and you can actually feel it happening. This spot is also packed with acupressure points. In traditional Chinese medicine, the area 3 finger widths below the belly button is called the Sea of Energy. It's believed to enhance vitality and sexual strength. Whether or not you believe in energy meridians, one thing is certain. Better circulation is real, and massage gets you there. The second area most men completely ignore is the inner thighs. Specifically, the stretch from about mid-thigh up to where your leg connects to your groin. This zone is a circulation superhighway, loaded with blood vessels and lymph nodes that directly impact pelvic health. The femoral artery, one of the body's largest, runs right through here. If blood isn't flowing well here, everything downstream, including erectile function, suffers. Massaging this area with olive oil supercharges blood flow to the entire pelvic region. Warm another tablespoon of olive oil and work each thigh for about 2 minutes. Begin at the knee and glide upward toward your groin with long, firm strokes. That upward direction is important. It helps blood and lymph fluid return towards your core. Don't be shy about getting close to the groin, because that's exactly where the critical vessels are. What surprises most men is how much hidden tension sits in the inner thighs. Years of sitting at desks, driving, or poor posture cause chronic tightness that quietly squeezes off circulation. Olive oil massage loosens this tension, while its anti-inflammatory compounds soothe irritated tissues. If the area feels overly sensitive or even ticklish, that's actually your body flagging poor circulation and nerve imbalance. With consistency, that sensitivity fades as blood flow improves. Now we move to the area that can have the most dramatic impact, but that most men never even think about, the perineum. That small but powerful spot between your scrotum and anus. I know, even mentioning it can feel awkward, but this area is absolutely vital for male health and lasting performance. Why? Because the perineum contains the root of the penis, major blood vessels, sensitive nerves, and direct connections to the prostate. In many healing traditions around the world, this spot has long been considered the key to male vitality. And now, even modern physical therapists use perineal massage to treat erectile dysfunction and chronic pelvic pain. Here's how to do it. Take about a teaspoon of warmed olive oil, then gently massage the area with your fingertips using small circular motions. You don't need to press hard. This is delicate tissue. 1 to 2 minutes is plenty. What you're aiming for is light stimulation that enhances blood flow without creating discomfort. Olive oil brings something extra to the table here: its natural antimicrobial properties. The perineum can easily harbor bacteria that trigger irritation and inflammation, but olive oil helps protect the skin, while the massage itself increases circulation to the prostate and erectile tissues. Many men say this one single technique makes more difference than anything else they've ever tried. It's especially powerful for men who spend long hours sitting. Sitting compresses the perineum, cutting off circulation and leading to problems over time. Gentle massage with olive oil helps undo that damage by restoring healthy blood flow. The fourth target area might surprise you: the lower back. Specifically, the section just above your tailbone extending about 6 inches upward. At first glance, it may seem unrelated to sexual function, but in reality, it's critical. This region houses the lumbar and sacral nerve plexuses, which send signals that control erection, arousal, and orgasm. When this area is stiff or inflamed, those nerve signals can't transmit properly. If you have a partner who can help, great. If not, do your best to reach it yourself. Warm up 2 tablespoons of olive oil and massage the area using firm circular motions for about 5 minutes. Pay attention to any tender or tight spots. Those are often the points where nerve compression is taking place. The soothing warmth and anti-inflammatory compounds in olive oil can relax the muscles and fascia here, potentially freeing up nerves that have been restricted for years. Many men who keep up this practice not only report improved sexual function, but also notice reduced back pain and deeper, more restful sleep. It's the kind of payoff that makes the effort worth it. This last one may catch you off guard, but don't underestimate it: the soles of your feet. They're packed with reflex points that correspond to every organ and system in your body, including the reproductive system. The arch of the foot in particular links to your adrenal glands and reproductive organs. Here's how to do it. Before bed, sit in a comfortable chair, take some warm olive oil, and massage each foot for about 3 minutes. Focus especially on the arch and the area just below the ball of your foot. Use your thumbs to apply steady pressure, and when you find tender spots, work them out gently. This isn't just theory from reflexology books. Massaging your feet increases circulation, eases stress, and activates the parasympathetic nervous system. That means better hormone production, healthier sexual function, and more restorative sleep. And let's be honest, it feels wonderful and helps you drift off, which is when your body does most of its testosterone repair work. Now, while extra virgin olive oil by itself is powerful, you can take things further by blending it with certain essential oils. My recommended recipe is what I call the vitality oil. Start with 4 ounces of extra virgin olive oil as your base. Add 10 drops of rosemary essential oil, fantastic for circulation and proven to support testosterone. Add 5 drops of peppermint oil, which creates a warming, tingling sensation and further boosts blood flow. Finally, add 5 drops of sandalwood oil, long used for male reproductive health, and backed by research showing support for hormonal balance. Mix everything together in a dark glass bottle to protect the oils. Each ingredient plays a role. The essential oils don't just smell good. They help olive oil penetrate even deeper into tissue while adding their own therapeutic punch. Rosemary in particular has been studied for improving circulation and even hair growth when applied topically, showing just how effective it is at stimulating blood flow. Some men like to add black seed oil to the mix. Simply combine 3 parts olive oil with 1 part black seed oil, creating a blend that's especially good for inflammation and circulation. Black seed oil contains thioquinone, a compound linked to supporting testosterone and improving erectile function. Another excellent option is castor oil. Mix it half and half with olive oil for deeper tissue penetration and enhanced circulation. Castor oil has rare properties that allow it to reach deeper than most oils, making this blend particularly powerful for the lower abdomen and lower back massages. Here's how to bring all of this together into a simple nighttime routine that takes only 15 to 20 minutes. Start about an hour before bed by taking a warm shower. This step is important. It relaxes your muscles, opens your pores, and cleanses your skin so the oils absorb better. Begin with the lower abdomen massage, 3 to 5 minutes of clockwise circles with warm olive oil or your enhanced vitality blend. Focus on breathing deeply and relaxing your body. Next, move to your inner thighs. Spend 2 minutes per leg, massaging upward toward your groin. Once you get used to it, you'll notice it actually feels surprisingly good. Then, address the perineum. 1 to 2 minutes of gentle circular massage here. Yes, it might feel strange at first, but it quickly becomes routine, and the benefits speak for themselves. After that, target the lower back for 5 minutes with firm but comfortable pressure. If reaching this spot is too difficult, a foam roller lightly coated with oil can be a helpful alternative. Finish by massaging your feet, 3 minutes on each, concentrating on the arches and any sore spots you find. Not only does this boost circulation, but it's deeply relaxing and sets the stage for quality sleep. Once you've applied the oils, don't wipe them off immediately. Let your skin soak them in for at least 20 minutes. Slip into old pajamas or underwear you don't mind getting oily, and let the oils work overnight. Now let's talk about what you can expect, because setting realistic timelines is the key to sticking with this. After the very first night, most men notice better sleep. The massage and oils calm the body, and deeper sleep often comes right away. Many also feel warmer sensations, which is improved circulation kicking in. By the first week, morning erections may become more frequent or firmer. That's often the earliest sign that blood flow is improving. Energy levels can also rise thanks to better sleep. By weeks 2 to 3, most men start experiencing bigger changes. Erections feel more dependable, sensitivity improves, and overall vitality returns. Anti-inflammatory benefits build over time, so consistency matters. By the second month, the improvements are hard to miss. Stronger performance, greater stamina, and often unexpected bonuses like reduced back pain or a calmer prostate. By the 6-month mark, many men say they feel like entirely different people. It's not just sexual health, it's flexibility, energy, confidence, and a deeper sense of well-being. The mix of circulation, reduced inflammation, and restful sleep creates a ripple effect throughout the body. Of course, like with anything new, there can be small adjustments. Some men notice mild skin irritation at first, especially if they aren't used to applying oils. If that's you, start with less oil and shorter massage times, then build up slowly. If your skin is very sensitive, do a quick patch test first by rubbing a little oil on your inner arm and waiting 24 hours. If you find the process too messy, you're probably just using too much. A tablespoon per large area is more than enough. You want glide for massage, not dripping oil everywhere. For those worried about staining sheets or clothes, keep a set of older sheets or a towel handy for nights when you do this. The benefits far outweigh this minor inconvenience. If you don't see results after a month, check 2 things. Are you applying enough pressure during massage, and are you being consistent? This isn't a once-a-week spa treatment. It really works best when done 3 to 4 times weekly, or ideally every day. You might be asking, why not just take supplements instead? The truth is, topical olive oil offers unique advantages pills can't match. First, it bypasses digestion entirely. Many men over 50 struggle with nutrient absorption. But oils massage directly into the skin, deliver compounds straight to the tissues that need them most. Second, the massage itself is therapeutic. Supplements can't replicate the circulation boost, muscle relaxation, and nerve stimulation that come with hands-on care. Third, this routine targets the very places where the issues usually live: tight muscles, compressed nerves, and poor local circulation. Finally, it's safe. Unlike medications, Olive oil massage has no serious side effects. At worst, your skin feels a little oily. And let's be honest, this protocol isn't only about sexual health. That's one major benefit, yes. But it's also about reclaiming a sense of control over your body. It's about giving yourself permission to slow down, relax, and maintain your vitality as you age. Think about how much time men spend maintaining cars, lawns, or homes. Yet many invest almost no time into maintaining their own bodies. This simple nightly routine changes that. The psychological rewards are real too. Taking just 20 minutes to care for yourself reduces anxiety, lifts your mood, and improves self-confidence. Often, your partner notices these changes even before you do, not just in performance, but in your overall energy and presence. So here's my challenge to you. Try this olive oil protocol for 30 days, at least 4 nights per week. Buy a good quality extra virgin olive oil, organic if possible. Start with just the lower abdomen and inner thighs. If the full routine feels overwhelming, keep a notebook and jot down how you feel, your energy, your sleep, your morning erections, even unexpected changes you notice. After 30 days, you'll know whether it's worth continuing. Most men are convinced by then. Remember, this isn't about chasing youth or trying to feel 25 again. It's about optimizing the strength and vitality you have right now, protecting your health as you age, and building confidence in your body's ability to respond. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are also the simplest, and in this case, it's just a bottle of olive oil and a little attention, reminding you of what your body is still capable of.